In this video, I want to show you how you can exchange your Payoneer and PayPal funds in less than 5 minutes using Ratefy.co. So let's dive right in. So just come to Ratefy.co, and on the landing page, you will see the latest exchange rates as at that moment, and rates are updated every hour. So you can now click on the offer that matches what you want to exchange. Let's say you want to exchange less than $500 worth of Payoneer funds. So you click on this. So it will require you to log in. So make sure you log in or sign up if you are yet to have the account. And on the sign in page, you will have access to the calculator page. Let's say I want to exchange $250 worth of Payoneer funds. So I'll enter 250. This is the receiving amount as at this moment. Then I can now click select bank account. I'll select the preferred bank account I want to get paid. So this is my PalmPay. Then I'll click on sell now. So this is the instruction. So I will agree and continue. And on this other page, it says make payment. And the Payoneer tag to be make payment will be sent through the chat here. So as you can see, the admin has sent the tag that I will pay to. So all I need to do is to copy and make my payment. So after the payment has been made, I'll have to come here, come to proof of payment, attach the proof of payment, the screenshot that I've made the payment. I'll attach that and click on submit proof. Then I'll click I've made payment. So I'll click I've made payment. As you can see here, awaiting confirmation. Kindly wait while the receiver confirms your payment. So as you can see, it has been completed and they've sent Naira on my way. All I have to do is to go to the home page and the transaction is successful. So this is how you can exchange on Ratefy.co. Thanks for watching and make sure you use Ratefy.